Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that you've probably heard a lot about, blockchain technology. But what exactly is blockchain and how does it work? Don't worry, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. So, let's get started. Imagine a digital notebook where every transaction is recorded securely and transparently. This notebook is not stored in one place, but is shared across thousands of computers worldwide. That's essentially what a blockchain is, a decentralized digital ledger. Let's say Alice wants to send money to Bob using blockchain. Here's how it works step by step. Transaction initiation. Alice initiates a transaction to send money to Bob.verification. The transaction is sent to a network of computers, known as nodes, that verify if it's valid. Block formation. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with other transactions to form a block, adding to the chain. The block is added to the existing blockchain in a secure and unchangeable manner. Transaction complete. Bob receives the money, and the transaction is permanently recorded. Blockchain is secure because of two key features: cryptography. Each block is locked with a unique code, called a hash, that links it to the previous block. Decentralization. Instead of being stored in one place, the blockchain is shared across thousands of computers. Hacking one computer won't affect the rest. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrency. It's used in finance, secure transactions with Bitcoin and Ethereum; supply chain, tracking products from factories to stores; healthcare, securely storing medical records; voting, transparent and tamper-proof elections. Blockchain is revolutionizing the digital world by making transactions secure, transparent, and decentralized. And guess what? This is just the beginning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech explainers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Crypto Connect.